Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel Home Decor Design Ideas. We all dream of a beautiful home. No matter how much we invest in a decor, it's the ceiling that makes or breaks the look of your interior. Ceiling lights are one of the most important things to consider when creating a lighting plan for your space. Lighting can help accentuate the feel and style of a room with looks that are minimalistic, dramatic, elegant, or modern. So long as you know what environment you are trying to create and what the different lights are capable of, you will be able to find the right lighting fixture for your home. There are different types of ceiling lightnings. No matter what type of lighting you choose, you will need to make sure there's enough of it to illuminate your space. Ceiling lights do much more than just illuminate a living space. They create mood, offer styles, and impact character. In this video, you will see a different modern lighting ceiling design ideas to decorate your home with the latest styling living standard styles. Modern ceiling light designs provide ample illumination, ensuring that your space is well lit, and are often designed to distribute the light evenly, illumination dark spots, and creating a comfortable environment. Modern lighting fixtures are designed to be energy efficient. They are designed to minimize the glare and create comfortable environment. Top modern lighting ceiling designs often a combination of style, and they enhance the overall appeal of your space. Hope you enjoy watching it. Share with your friends and family member, and for more such type of updates, stay connected with us and be the part of home decor design ideas.